Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Taufik Maulana from MA5E. At this video, I want to explain about how a system works. At this, I choose cooling system. The cooling system in the vehicle engine is a system that functions to keep the engine temperature in ideal condition. Internal and external combustion engines carry out the combustion process to produce energy, and the engine mechanism is converted into the motion power. How the cooling system works. Cooling systems in motor vehicle are broadly divided into two types, namely air cooling system and water cooling systems. The air cooling system is a cooling system that utilizes air media to cool the engine, whether natural or internally made through a cooling fan. Usually, this type of a cooling system is widely applied to machines with small capacity such as motorcycles engine. While the water cooling system or liquid cooling system is a cooling system that utilizes water or liquid media that flows through the engine through the water jacket on the engine, and then the heat from the cooling water is cooled or discharged into the free air. Usually, this cooling system is applied to machines with a capacity of big like the engine on a car. Cooling system components. First is radiator. The working principle of the radiator is to transfer heat from the water to the air through the radiation process. Radiators work by utilizing the flow of air that pass through the vents or radiator grills. The mechanism is that the hot cooling water from the engine heat will be channeled to the radiator core. At this time, the heat will move to the radiator core and directly channeled to the radiator fins. When there is air produced by the cooling fan through the radiator fins, the heat will move to the free air. Next, radiator cap. The radiator cap functions as a cover for the upper part of the radiator tank and at the same time maintains air pressure in the cooling system with the aim of increasing the coolant drop point. Next, radiator hose. The function of the radiator hose is to function as a channel for cooling water from the engine to the radiator and from the radiator back to the engine. Next, thermostat valve. The thermostat valve is a component of the cooling system that functions to accelerate the achievement of the engine ideal working temperature by regulating the circulation of coolant. The way the thermostat works is by closing the coolant channel to the radiator inlet hose when the engine has not reached its ideal working temperature, which is around 90 degrees to 95 degrees Celsius, and opening the channel automatically when the engine temperature has reached 90 degrees to 95 degrees Celsius. Next, water jacket. The water jet contained in the cylinder block and cylinder head. This component serves as a place for coolant in the engine to absorb engine heat evenly. The water jet is filled with cooling water. Next, reservoir tank. The reserve tank or reservoir tank serves to store cooling water that has evaporated when the engine is hot and at the same time provides additional coolant when the engine is cold after it is hot. There is a vacuum after the engine is cold, with the aim of preventing the reduction of coolant. Next is cooling fan. The cooling fan serves to help speed up the cooling process of the coolant in the radiator with the help of the air it produces through the radiator vents. The working principle of the cooling fan is to circulate air from the outside through the radiator vents. Next, water pump. The water pump or water pump in the cooling system function to pump or circulates cooling water so that it can circulate. When the thermostat closes, this pump will cause a flow of water in the water jacket which helps to evenly distribute the heat of the engine. And when the thermostat is open, this pump will drain water from the water jacket to the radiator to be cooled. Next, temperature thermometer. The temperature thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the cooling water. Later, the results of these measurements will be displayed on the dashboard of the car. And how the water cooling system works. When the engine is running, the water pump will also rotate because the water pump is driven by the engine rotation through the V-belt and pulley connection. The water pump functions to pump cooling water so that it circulates throughout the cooling system, so that when the engine is running, the cooling water will also circulate. When the cooling water temperature is still low or below 90 degrees Celsius, the thermostat is still closed so that the cooling water only circulates in the engine through the water jacket and has not flowed to the radiator. This aims to accelerate the engine to reach its ideal working temperature. When the temperature of the cooling water start is increased to 90 degree to 95 degrees Celsius, the thermostat will start to open, so that the cooling water from the engine will flow into the radiator. Inside the radiator, the temperature of the cooling water will be lowered with the help of air flowing by the cooling fan through the radiation process. The air flowing through the radiator grill will absorb the heat from the cooling water, so that the cooling water temperature will drop. When the cooling water temperature increases to above 95 degrees Celsius, the thermostat will open fully so that the amount of cooling water flowing into the radiator increases. And as a result, the engine temperature can be maintained at its ideal working temperature. I think that's all from me about how a system works. Thank you very much.